Hey guys, it's Brian again. Today I'm going to make a video of my favorite fan that's installed in the house right now. This is in my office, as you can see. It's a little bit cluttered and messy right now. I just need to get everything situated. I literally just moved into this house 5 months ago, so I'm still kind of getting situated. But this is my favorite fan in the house. It's a 42-inch Alaska. It's model number AC4142. It was made in 1986. It's a flush mount fan. It's got the pretzel brackets and the stencil blades. These were relabeled Maxx Air, but they're made by Alaska slash Shenyun, however you pronounce that. But this is one of my favorite fans in my collection because as a kid, there's a restaurant that I frequent for breakfast. It's called George's Family Restaurant. It's in Lorraine, and there's about 6 or 7 of these without the light kit in that restaurant. First time I ever saw them, my dad took me there for breakfast when I was a kid, and I was hooked. Always wanted one. Very kind of difficult to find this particular one with the flush mount canopy, but you know, I was able to track one down a few years ago, and it's been sitting in a box most of the time that I've had it, and I figured, you know what, I gotta put this up. You know, it's too nice to keep in a box. So you can see these awesome stencil blades. I love stencil blades. So, Alaska fans are unique because the pull chain sequence is low, medium, high, off instead of high, medium, low, off. So, the distinct characteristics that you can tell these particular ceiling fans is as far as Alaska goes. Alaska has a sharp, distinct tip on the end of their blades that rounds off at the top here a little bit. You can just tell by like the contour of the blades, usually that it's an Alaska. Alaska fans, their stencil has these 2 little curly Q things at the top of the blades. That's a distinct Alaska feature. The low, medium, high pull chain. The motor inside here, right up in here, has little vents on top of it. I don't know if you can see that or not. There's a vent right there. And usually the reversing switch goes left to right. So, pretty distinct Alaska features. A lot of these had half moon brackets instead of the pretzel brackets. This particular model had pretzel brackets, which I wanted. But the half moon brackets are hollow in the center. You can tell it's pretty hard to miss. Anyway, this fan was made in 1986. It's a decently powerful fan, but let's go ahead and start it up. Oh, by the way, I've got this really nice floral globe on here that I got brand new in the box with that antique brass fitter. So let's start. Oh, also the acorn style pull chain. That's another Alaska feature. So if you ever see a fan with those on there, it's probably made by Alaska. So let's go ahead and start it up on low. Moves a good breeze on low. Smooth running fan. Excuse me. Medium. Medium's usually the speed that I run this at when I'm in here. during the summer. This room gets pretty hot because there's no air in this house. So, what was a good breeze? And high. And it's powerful. I mean, it's you know, decently powerful. Still a quiet running fan though. And we'll go ahead and shut her down. Motor's got good bearings. No problem whatsoever. You know, these are actually pretty quality made fans. It's got a cast aluminum motor. Or, sorry, not cast aluminum, stamped aluminum motor. But it's a good quality fan. They move good air. They last forever. Definitely a lot better than the crap you can buy today at Home Depot. And these were originally sold at Kmart, by the way. So yeah, that's it. That's my 42-inch Alaska ceiling fan, relabeled as Maxx Air, model number AC-4142. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Keep watching, more videos to come. Talk to you soon.